Hi students, good morning. I hope you are fit and well. And today we are going to discuss lecture number 6 for class 10th. Chapter is arithmetic progression and topic is sum of n terms of an arithmetic progression. So let us begin. Sum of n terms of an AP. So sum of n terms of an AP is given by Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sn is equal to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where Sn is sum of n terms, A is first term as you know, D is common difference and n is number of terms. Now we are going to see how will we prove this equation and then solve some question based on this. So let Sn is sum of n terms of an AP, then Sn is nothing but A plus D plus A plus 2D plus dot A plus n minus 1D, A plus n minus 1 into D. So you know very well A plus D, A plus 2D, these are the terms of first, second, third, fourth terms of an AP. That's why we can write it as. Then Sn again written as L plus L minus D plus L minus 2D plus dot L minus n minus 1 into D. You have to write from the last. That means suppose we have given an AP 2, 4, 6, 8, then we can write it like 8, 6, 4, 2. Okay? So in this manner we have to write both the terms of sum of AP. Now adding both of the equation we will get Sn plus Sn, 2 times Sn, this is A plus L, D cancel, this is also A plus L, 2D cancel, this is also A plus L, plus dot n minus 1D cancel, A plus L. But how many times? N times. How many times this is? N times. So 2Sn can be written as n times A plus L. Why? Because A plus L, A plus L, A plus L, if you added n times then it becomes n into A plus L. Why? Because suppose if you add 2 3 times, 10 times, you will get 20. So how will we get 20? 2 into 10. So similarly if we add a particular quantity n times, then we will get n times that particular quantity. So Sn is nothing but n by 2 A plus L. So this is the formula for Sn. Afterwards, since we know that L is last term, since L is A plus n minus 1 into D, so Sn is nothing but n by 2 a plus, at the place of n we put a plus n minus 1 into d, so we will get the answer as Sn is equal to n by 2 a plus a 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So this is the formula for sum of n terms of an AP. Now we shall discuss some question based on this. Find the sum of the 22 terms of AP 83. Question is, find the sum of 22 terms. Example number 11. Find the sum of 22 terms of an AP 83 minus 2 dot dot dot. So solution here, A is 8, B is 3 minus 8, that means minus 5, n is 22, and we have to find S22. So Sn is known, you know very well, Sn is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. So S22 is 22 by 2, 2 into 8 plus 22 minus 1 into d minus 5. And you calculate it, will get the answer 11 as 16 plus 21 into minus 5. So yes, 22 is nothing but 11 into 16 plus 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10, 105 but negative. So this is 11 into, this is minus of what? 15 6 9 and 9 1 8, 89 minus 89. So S22 is nothing but minus 89 into 11, 11 9 is 99, and 11 8 is 88, and 9 97. So this is minus of 979. This is the sum of that particular terms. Next one, example number 12. See, next one, example number 12. If the sum of the 14th term of an AP is 1050 and the first term is 8, then find 20th term. See, this is the example number 12. Example number 12. If the sum of the first 14th term of an AP is 1050, what is given here? S14 1050, and the first term is 10 and A is given 10, then find 20th term. You have to find 320. So this is example number 12, in which we have given S14, that means sum of 14 terms. A is given already, T20 we have to find. So let first term common difference be D, then S14 is equal to 1050. This is 14 by 2, 2 into A is what, 10, plus 14 minus 1 into D is equal to 1050. So this is 7, 20 plus 13 in D is equal to 1050. So 220 plus 13D is equal to 1050 divided by 7. 7 1 ja 7, 3, 7 5 ja 150. So 20 plus 13D is equal to 150. So 13D is equal to 150 minus 20. So 13D is equal to 130. So D is nothing but 10. D is also 10. Now what we want to find T20th, that means 20th term. So T20 is nothing but A plus 19D. So this is 10 plus 19 into 10. This is 10 plus 190 and this is 200. So 20th term is 200. Okay. So in this manner we have to solve some questions based on the sum of n terms. I am just going to discuss some more questions, but this is my humble request. You have to try to solve more and more examples and questions based on sum of n terms of an AP. Next one, how many terms of the AP 24, 21, 18 must be taken to their sum is 78. This is also a good question. See example number 13. Example number 13. Example number 13. How many terms of the AP 24, 21, 18 must be taken to their sum is 78? How many terms of this AP have to taken that their sum is 78? So here solution here, A is 24, D is 21 minus 24, that is minus 3. Sn is given 78 and you have to find n. What we need to find? N. So start to solve this question. So Sn is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into D. So Sn must be 78 n by 2, 2 into 24 plus n minus 1 into D minus 3. So 78 is nothing but n by 2, 48 minus 3n plus 3. So this is 78 multiplied by 2. This is 2 8 just 16. 14 115. 48 and 43 51 and 51 minus 3n. So this becomes 3n square minus 51n and this plus 156. Maybe this is the equation. After solving this equation, this particular quadratic equation, we will get the value. So 156, this is 51. So 3 is common. N is square minus 17n plus 52 is equal to 0. Yes, 3 5 is the 15, 3 2 is the 6. So equation is 17n plus 52 is equal to 0, and factor of this n square minus 13n minus 4n plus 52 is equal to 0. N minus 13 minus 4 n minus 13 is equal to 0. So n minus 13 or n minus 4 is equal to 0. So n minus 13 0 or n minus 4 is equal to 0. So either n is equal to 13 or n is equal to 4. There are two answers. Either n is equal to 13 or n is equal to 4. So what is the reason for two answer? If you see what is the reason for two answer, if you see here, this is the decreasing arithmetic progression. That means maybe there are some negative terms. So up to 4 terms sum is 78, and after 20 or 12 terms, that means sum of 13 terms is also 78. So this is the reason for coming two answers. So this is the most important question. So that's all for today's lecture. You have to try exercise 5.3 as a homework and try to solve more questions based on the sum of n terms of an AP. Thank you.